Just got in my Star Wars The Force Awakens Smuggler's Bounty box in the mail. Gonna open it up. Start off with a First Order Star Wars First Order Trooper something. First Order patch. A Kylo Ren pin. Open up the box more. A lanyard with a First Order Stormtrooper on the box, on the lanyard. A Funko Pop Kylo Ren Force Awakens t-shirt. Pretty neat. The first exclusive pop is a TIE Fighter pilot. And the second pop is a Chrome Captain Phasma. Two pretty decent pops. I like those a lot. And that was pretty much it. So you get a Kylo Ren t-shirt, lanyard, two pops, patch, and a pin.